Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to manage your Google Wallet. Let's get straight into the video. Now the first step is to access Google Wallet. So if you want to access Google Wallet, what you're gonna do is to first open the Google Play app on your Android device. Then you want to tap on the three horizontal lines or the more button, and then you want to select Wallet or Google Wallet. Now for the second step, to view your wallet balance, what you gotta do is when you're in Google Wallet, you're gonna see your wallet balance, and then you can just tap on the balance to view more of its details. Now for the third step, which is to add or remove payment methods, what you want to do is to tap on the add payment method button, and then select the type of payment method you want to add. That could be a credit card or debit card, or it could be a bank account, and then just follow the prompts to add the payment method. So to remove a payment method, you could just tap on the three vertical dots next to the payment method and select remove. Now for the fourth step, which is to manage your transaction history, you can just tap on the transaction history tab, and that's you're going to be able to view your recent transactions, which includes payment, refunds, and transfers. You can just tap on a transaction to view more of its details. Now for the fifth step, to set up notifications, of course you're going to need to tap on the three horizontal lines or the more button, and then just select settings or notification settings, and then you want to toggle on and off notifications for various events such as transaction refunds or transfers. Now for the sixth step, that's to set up security features. What you want to do is to tap on the three horizontal lines or the more button, and then select settings or security settings, and then you can toggle on and off security features such as two-factor authentication and device locking. Now that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because that helps out a lot. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.